The Trading Sessions Indicator, FTSE. Trading Sessions, shows the most significant trading sessions for the Forex market, such as London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. The sessions are presented as colored boxes on the chart, thereby clearly indicating open and close times of a particular session, as well as its trading range. What trading sessions does the indicator show? The Forex Trading Sessions Indicators displays the working hours of the most important trading centers, namely London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. This information is mostly used for clear and efficient order management. As far as each session has its own volatility and, let's say, spirit, you should account for this while holding your trades. Promotion. This indicator for MT4 plots sessions in the form of boxes with dotted outline, which is quite cozy for analysis. The main benefit of this indicator, compared to other ones, is that it shows boundaries both of past and active sessions and the opening time of future sessions. The Market Sessions Indicator for MT4 displays the trading sessions of a day in horizontal lines. Moreover, it displays the opening price of the current market session and the high and low of the previous trading session. Furthermore, it shows the future trading session in the price chart. So Forex traders can identify the bullish or bearish price trend in market sessions independently and buy or sell accordingly. Every trading session has its characteristics in terms of trending nature, price volatility, and trading volumes. The indicator can be used by new and advanced Forex traders to apply different technical trading strategies to each market session. The indicator can be applied to all chart time frames. However, the maximum limit is as per the indicator input settings. A price chart below M15 time frames is best suitable for trading. Higher time frames have the lines in too close proximity. In such a case, Forex traders can disable certain market session lines for clarity. Market Sessions Indicator for MT4 trading setup. Please pay attention to your broker's terminal time zone and major centers working hours. In case of any DST shifts, you should regularly check session working hours, for example here, and manually make corresponding changes in indicator settings. Session overlapping and currency pairs. You should mostly consider overlapping sessions as these periods are usually most volatile and provide the best trading opportunities. Overlapping periods for the moment: Tokyo and London, 10 o'clock to 11 a.m., GMT +3 London and New York, 1500 hours to 19 p.m., GMT +3 Sydney and Tokyo, 2 o'clock to 10 a.m., GMT +3 also. The currency pair makes sense. Some of the pairs are active during Asian sessions, for example USHP, AUDist, and SJUST. Other while London session, PUST, USCHF, EURUST, and the last while NY session, used CAD, ZAUST, EURUST, US Dimection. How to trade Forex sessions. Lots of strategies have been built according to Forex session hours. This indicator is suitable for all of them. The most well-known strategies are London Breakout Strategy, Asian Box, New York Breakout, etc. What are trading session time periods? Trading instruments can be more active during one part of a day and less active during another part. For example, when talking about stocks, they are active usually during specific hours, when the stock exchange where they are trading are open. Forex is a 24-hour market, but generally, currency pairs are more active during the daytime of the countries they belong to. Take for example the Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar pair. This pair is particularly active in the Asian session while it is more quiet during the European and US sessions. Basically, all trading instruments have periods when there is more activity in them. The same way, there can be specific time of day when some instruments can be affected by regular events. For example, rollovers in the afternoon or during the night, or market opening and close. For a trader who is trying to study the market and to find strategies, it is important to exploit such an edge. Thus, it is often useful to have a visual representation of such time periods. A trader can analyze an asset and perhaps spot some behavior traits that happen at the same time of day. This is particularly important in day trading strategies, where entry and exit normally happen within the